Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll solve this algebraic problem. Here x plus xy plus y is 54 and the value of x and y are positive integers. Then we'll find the value of x plus y. So by watching these equations, this is not a quadratic equation, it's a linear equations. The equation is x plus xy and another identity is y and the value of it 54. So we have two variables here, x and y. So first of all, by seeing these equations we can factorize and then we can get some identities. Now for factor we can split these terms. So first step will be splitting the terms, and next we can take a common between the first two and the last two, then we can have two factors. Now let's start. Now if you look at here, we can split the first two. So we'll write first two first, x plus xy. From these two terms we can take x is common, so x will take outside, so remaining here is 1, so 1 plus, and if we'll take x from this one, the remaining will be y, so y. And in next we will write plus y and the value of it is 54. Now we have got one factor, that is 1 plus y, or we can say y plus 1. So now we'll have to make this y in this format, means in symmetrical way we'll write this y in y plus 1 format. Now we'll write it x as it is and we'll change this we'll write y plus 1. So this one will be easy for us, y plus 1 and plus. Now here we'll add 1, so we'll write y plus 1, and in the left hand side we have added 1, so right hand side we have 54 and we'll add 1 plus 1, so both the equations value will be same, left hand side and right hand side. Now this y plus 1 will write in a bracket. Now from these two terms we can take y plus 1 outside the bracket, means factor. So one factor is y plus 1. So we have taken y plus 1 common. So another factor will be here x plus a plus sign, and in this value we'll write 1. So multiplied by 1 by any value will be same. So we can write 1. So it is x plus 1, and the value of this in the right hand side we have 54 and 1 55, right? So our next step, from here next step will be, here we have x and y positive integers, means the x will be something greater than or equal to 1, isn't it? Similarly y will also be a positive integer, means y will be greater than or equal to 1. So if the value of y is greater than and equal to 1, now the for whole term, that is y plus 1, will be greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, the value of x is greater than or equal to 1, so x plus 1 will also be greater than or equal to 2. Now the right hand side we have 55, so 55, and we'll factor it. The factors of 55 are 1 multiplied by 55, next is 55 multiplied by 1, and 5 multiplied by 11 is also 55. Similarly, we'll interchange 11 into 5. The x and y will be greater than or equal to 2. Now in first two we have the value of one factor is 1, 1 and 1, so we cannot take these two factors, 1 into 55 and 55 into 1. So we are left with two factors, that is 5 and 11 and 5. So next step here, y plus 1 factor, that is y plus 1 factor will take 5. In the next, x plus 1 will have to take 11, and in the next we will take 11 and 5. So here y plus 1 will be 11 and x plus 1 will be 5. So here we will not calculate the value of x and y individually, because we will have to find the value of x plus y only. So x plus y value will calculate, and if we'll add 1 and 1 in both, means we'll write x plus 1 and y plus 1. So it is x plus 1 and y plus 1. Here we have added 1 and 1, 2 extra, so we'll subtract by 2. So either we take x plus 1 or y plus 1, 11 or 5, the result will be same. So we can take 5 plus 11 or 11 plus 5, the value will be same, minus 2. So it is 5 and 11 is 16, 16 minus 2 is 14. So we got the answer of this expression, that is 14. So 14 is the answer. Hope you have enjoyed the video. That's ends for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.